In this video I will show you how to mirror elements with respect to a line by using the function mirror element. We will create one attached facing for our front piece. First I show you how to mirror one element. Select the function mirror element. Click the mirror line and then click the element to be mirrored. If you want to mirror several elements at once, click first the mirror line and then collect the elements by using the multi-selection. You can use the function trace in order to draw the new piece.